All right. What's up? What's up? Back with another exciting Cybertruck video. So tonight we're gonna go take this thing on a little night drive basically and just show you what the insides look like and just basically how it is to drive a Cybertruck at night. I also have the 360 camera on top, so I'll be driving downtown for a little bit and just if anybody's out, maybe we could capture some reactions on that. So go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Alright, so this is what the Cybertruck looks like at night. Got your rear view mirror right here, and you can get a bigger view by swiping it over there, but I like having mine right there. There goes the cups. So yeah, it's pretty nice overall infotainment. You can swipe that and get a bigger view. You still have a nice little mini map right there. I wish they would do this across all the other models as well, but overall very nice. So let's just enjoy the view at night. See, got the nice ambient lighting. Go here, we could go to lights. If we go here, we could actually scroll and we could change the colors. That's going to stop right here. Stop for this light. But yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. You can choose different colors, whatever goes to your taste. So let's put it back right here. There. That works. Swipe that out. Steering wheel is very nice. I like the flat, it's just so flat. You can put your hands anywhere basically and just be super comfy. So there's no autopilot and no full self-driving on the Cybertruck right now. It's so new, so I guess they gotta figure out all the camera placements and get a little more data before they roll it out to the masses. So for now, all you have is just cruise control basically, and it works pretty good. So it will also come to a stop at the red lights, and it will also stop at stop signs. But that's a little bug right there, so you can see it wanted to stop at that green light. So yeah, hopefully they can fix that bug. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. Gear suspension is pretty nice, and it's super quiet. So that's all the talking I'll do for now, and you guys can just enjoy the rest of the video until we get downtown. Look at the move.
That's